Meaning of entertaining.
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 Entertaining. Entertaining means providing enjoyment or amusement to an audience. It can refer to various forms of entertainment, such as movies, TV shows, books, music, sports, or games. The result of something being entertaining is that it captures and holds the audience's attention, makes them feel engaged, happy, or excited, and leaves a positive impression on them. Entertaining content can also serve as a distraction from daily life stressors, allow for social interaction, and provide a sense of escape or relaxation. Overall, entertainment serves as a means of enjoyment and enrichment in people's lives.